Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn types of noun. We will discuss each type of noun with detail. So before we start the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. First example, proper noun. What is proper noun? Well, proper noun are words for specific thing, place, or person, such as Max, Dr. William. They are always capitalized and usually are not combined with articles and other determiners. Next one, common noun. What is common noun? Well, common noun refers to general things like city or mountain, etc., or any name of any layperson. Next one, concrete noun. What is concrete noun? A concrete noun is a noun that refers to a physical thing, person, place, or thing, something or someone that can be perceived with the five senses. Next one, abstract noun. What is abstract noun? An abstract noun represent intangible ideas, things you can't perceive with five main senses. Next one, singular noun. Singular noun are nouns that represent only one thing, person, place, or thing or idea. Next one, plural noun. Plural noun represents place, person, thing, or idea that are more than one. Next one, collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun is a noun that describes a group of people, animal, or thing. Collective noun can be a group of a person or collection of something. Next one is compound noun. What is compound noun? Every compound noun is two or more words that come together to form a noun. For example, ice cream, X-ray, up to date, and firefox. Next one, countable noun. Countable noun are those nouns that can be counted. The nouns which we can count easily are called countable noun. Uncountable noun are those nouns that we cannot count. Hope you guys learned something new. Thanks for watching my video.